Great Scott! Good to see you today. Welcome to the Institute of Future Technology. Excuse me, what time is it? Great Scott, I'm running a little slow. About 30 years.
At Universal Studios Hollywood, you soar through time and space on Back to the Future, the ride. 7-story-tall Omnimax screens and 70mm film provide the largest projected images of any motion simulator ride in the world. Doc Brown himself would be amazed at the futuristic technology that brings this ride to life. The hydraulically activated movements of each vehicle are carefully choreographed to the multi-million-dollar ride film, which took 2 years to create. Huge dome-like screens wrap around you, providing a full sensory experience. However, the curved screens also meant great care had to be taken when creating the film, so that objects on the screen wouldn't appear curved and distorted themselves. The film and movement, combined with the special sense-around audio effects, really create the illusion that you're flying.